Hi friends, happy Tuesday. I am here for your science lesson. So I hope you're ready. We are going to be going into Clever, into the HMH Ed online resources. And we're going to be looking at the text called Science Saurus. And I'm going to make it big so we all can see. And we're going to read this together. We're going to be talking today about different kinds of animals. All right, so that is the title of this section. The heading of the section is Different Kinds of Animals. And scientists group animals by how their body parts are alike. So mammals, a mammal is an animal that has hair or fur. The hair or fur keeps the animal warm and protects its skin. Hey, that squirrel behind me is a mammal. Mammals use lungs to breathe. Lungs are body parts that take in air. We have lungs. Let's breathe in. Our lungs are what help us to breathe. A mother mammal makes milk and feeds it to her young. Most young mammals are born live. So let's see. We're going to take a look at these photographs of the mammals the author has listed. And so this bats are the only mammals that can fly. So birds are not mammals. Mammals have fur, birds have feathers. So bats are the only mammals that can fly. That's fascinating. Dolphins are mammals that live in the ocean. So dolphins are mammals. Dogs and cats are mammals. You are a mammal. I am a mammal. Amazing. Let's keep reading. Birds. A bird is an animal that has feathers, like that little guy. The feathers keep a bird warm and help it to fly. A bird has 2 wings, 2 feet, and a beak. Most birds use their wings to fly. Birds use lungs to breathe, just like mammals do. A mother bird lays eggs. Young birds hatch from the eggs. So let's look at these cuties. Ducks are birds that can fly and swim. Parakeets are birds that can be kept as pets. Turkeys are birds. Science alert! Not all birds can fly. Penguins can't fly, but they can swim. Reptiles. A reptile is an animal with rough, dry skin covered with scales. Its skin protects it. Reptiles use lungs to breathe, as mammals and birds do. A reptile's body does not always stay at the same temperature. It changes with the air temperature. That's being called cold-blooded. We are warm-blooded. Our body keeps us warm. Reptiles need the air and sun to keep them warm. So warm air and sun. Most mother reptiles lay eggs. Often, they do not care for their young after the eggs hatch. So here we go. Let's read. Alligators warm themselves in the sun. We've seen that in Florida, haven't we? Snakes do not have legs at all. Sea turtles have flippers instead of legs. So all of these guys are reptiles. And our last that we're going to learn about today are amphibians. Can you say amphibian? Yeah, we learned a lot about amphibians in class, didn't we? Because we learned a lot about frogs. An amphibian is an animal with smooth, moist skin. Its skin helps us live both in water and in land. A mother amphibian lays eggs in water. Most young amphibians hatch and grow in water. They use tails to swim and gills to breathe, kind of like fish. Young amphibians change as they grow into adults. Animals have legs. Oh, I'm sorry. Adults. Adults have legs, and most live on land. They use lungs to breathe, like us. Frogs and toads live in places where their skin can stay damp. Damp is like a little bit wet. Did you know if a salamander loses a leg, it will regrow a new one? That's amazing. All right, we're going to stop there, my friends, but we will learn all about fish and insects coming up at our next science lesson. All right, my friends? All right, I wish you well. I love you. I miss you, and I hope to see you so soon. I will see you on Thursday at our live lesson. Okay, friends? Goodbye. Have a great day.